In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location to Event Map. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a place to your event so you and your guests can get directions with a single tap. Start by opening Google Calendar on your desktop browser or on your phone. The process is the same in both places, so use whatever's most convenient. Once your calendar is open, pick the event you want to update. Click or tap the event to open its details, then choose Edit using the pencil icon. If you don't have an event yet, create a new one and you'll land on the same editing screen where you can add the details. Next, look for the location field. On desktop, you'll usually find it underneath the title and time fields. On mobile, it appears in the event details with a small pin icon. This is where you'll tell Calendar where your event is happening. Click into the location field and start typing an address or a place name. As you type, Google Calendar pulls suggestions from Google Maps, so you'll see a drop-down of matches appear automatically. You can type a full street address, the name of a business, a public venue, or even a well-known landmark. If there are multiple places with similar names, add the city or neighborhood to narrow it down. This not only speeds things up, but also helps avoid typos and ensures the map pin lands exactly where you need it. When you see the correct match in the list, select it. You'll typically get a small map preview or a structured address confirming what you chose. Take a moment to check the city, street number, or suite if applicable. Picking a suggestion from the list is important because it links the event directly to Google Maps, making it easy to open turn-by-turn directions later. With the correct location selected, click Save. That's it. Your event now includes a clickable map link that you and your guests can open instantly. On desktop, you'll see the location show up under the event title with a pin icon. On mobile, tapping the location will launch your Maps app so you can navigate right away. If you ever need to adjust the address, just reopen the event, tap Edit, update the location field, and save again. And if suggestions don't appear right away, try entering a more complete address or double-checking your internet connection. You've successfully added a location to your event map, making your plans clearer and arrival smoother for everyone.